have you ever gone to the city and you have ever seen beautiful girls? Like, they have very well made up faces, eyelashes, mascaras, lip gloss or lip balm or lipstick, whatever you call it, and you feel like, hey, this beautiful woman, but the minute she pulls off that makeup, she looks like something else. She looks far from good, and before she was looking good from far. So today I want to look far from good. I also want to be beautiful like these women. Not that I'm not beautiful. I know I'm beautiful and I love being natural, but I want to try do makeup. So don't laugh at me. I don't have a lot. I'm just going to show you what I have for my makeup. So I have this foundation, First Nail. I hope you can see it. Yeah, this is the foundation I have. I have another dark one here. Don't ask me the names. I don't know their names. I have this one also. This is lighter than this one, but I use both. I have lipstick. I'll show you where I use my lipstick. I'll show you where I use it. Don't worry. And I have this other one. I also have this other lipstick. This color. Yes. I'll show you what I do with my lipstick. I have my black eye pencil. This one. And a brown one. So let's kick to doing this. Don't laugh. Oh, I have my, what do we call this? And my beauty blender. This one. Here. It's dirty, but not dirty. It has foundation in it. So let's start. So I don't put like Vaseline in my face. I start with a lighter foundation. So let me start. Let me show you how I do it. Today I want to look like Kardashian. You will know that you don't know. Okay, if you put a lot of these, it makes your skin look white, more of white. So what story do you want me to say? Nachoka. Cheka tu Ann. Cheka. Niko aje? Lakini mingi. I'm not a professional as I do this, so don't think you're learning from me. No, don't. In fact, I even don't know what I'm doing. I'm just putting makeup. I love being more of a natural person than putting makeup. And if I have to put makeup, I just put maybe a quarter of this. You know what is a quarter? Then a quarter from that quarter. That's what I like putting in my face. So ooh, eh. Oh yeah. Do I resemble like me? And then a little bit more of this in my eyes, like, yeah. And then, so don't ask me about these. I left them big like that. Yo, I look like a ripe mango. Woo, Pauline. Today you have done the worst. Let's see how far we can go with this. So I also see people put it near your ear so that you can match. You can imagine having a face that looks like Rihanna, and then when you try to match your face and your hands, you look like European and Sudan. So I think that's it. So I'll go in with this other dark. It's more dark compared to these, you can see. So let me go in with this and see what will happen. So I'll just put a little here, a little here, here, and here. And then I blend it. Am I closer to looking beautiful? This life is hard, oh. I tried before.
Go forward.
I just feel as if I have 71 layers of mud on my face. Are you not done? Oh, I have a dimple. So this is where drama comes in. So I'll take my black eye pencil and put it on the down eyelid. Yeah. Like that. Then the other eye. You see those women who put too much black on their eyes, the eye pencil, they put too much black and they look like ghosts and vampires. That's the vibe I like. And then the same eye pencil, I'll just put something small on the upper lid, both sides. I learned doing this in the School of Oxford or Oxford School of Dictionaries. Oxford University. Yeah. Then my brown eye pencil comes in. I know it's not visible, but don't worry, it will be visible. Like that. Like that. Inaonekana? How? Can you see something? Yeah, it's dark here. Like that. Okay, this is where my lipstick comes in. I take my lipstick and Yummy alade. Anna kaji.
Haiko exaggerated iko sawa. Vidole zangu havionekani, si ndio? Kiti mama, kwa hii kiti yangu. Auntie ana shoot. Sawa. Mchunge usianguke. Usinishike mkono usianguke mama.
So, like that. Then, then next, I just take this, I don't know why, and brush it like like that. So what else I do put is lipstick. First, I go in with a black pencil and put like dots. On the lower lip, and then I go in with my lipstick. Like that. So I hope my lipstick is not screaming. You know, I have a big lip. So, like that. After that, what I normally do is I hope you can see my eyes are not shouting and my makeup is not shouting. I use my hand, I make some marks on my finger using the eye pencil, and I do the same for the other eye.
Kuja kidogo.
Like that. I don't know how to draw lines, and I don't want to dare try because embarrassment, I don't want. So a simple look like that. Wait, I show you. Then I undo my hair. Like that. And I'm okay. Do I look like Kim Kardashian of Kenya? Or a village Kim Kardashian? Have nothing much to add. Until the next video. Bye.
Sipige hapo.